Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn English workshop of the poem To a Butterfly, written by a famous English poet William Wordsworth. In this English workshop, we are going to learn warming up, margin questions and English workshop. Warming up. First question. What games do you play when you were a small child? In pre-primary or primary school? Answer. When I was a small child, I played hide and seek, langdi palti, chor police, etc. Second question. Who were your classmates? Answer. My classmates were children from my neighborhood. Third question. What do you remember best from that time? Answer. I remember the joy and excitement. I remember the innocence of all the children. Margin questions. First question. Is the poet a grown-up person or a child? Answer. The poet is a grown-up person, means adult. English workshop. First question. Pick out from the first stanza 4 expressions where the poet pleads with the butterfly not to go away. Answer. First, stay near me. Second, do not take thy flight. Third, a little longer stay in sight. Fourth, float near me, do not yet depart. Second question, match the words and lines and their meanings. Answers are given directly. First, do not take thy flight means do not fly away. Second, much converse do I find in thee means I want to talk to you about many things. Third, historian of my infancy means reminder of my childhood days. Fourth, daytime revive in thee means in you I see the time that has gone by. Fifth, a very hunter did I rush means I rushed upon the prey, butterfly. Third question, say who. Reminds the poet of his childhood, butterfly. B. Is afraid to touch the butterfly, poet's sister. C. Is like a hunter, the poet. D. Is the poet's sister, Emmeline. Fourth question. Sometimes the normal word order is changed in the lines of the poem to emphasize something or to make the lines sound better. This change in word order is called inversion. Find examples of inversion in this poem, write them down, then rewrite the lines using regular word order and compare the effect. Example, a little longer stay inside. Stay inside a little longer. First, much converse do I find in thee. Regular word order is I do find much converse in thee. Second, my sister Emmeline and I together chased the butterfly. Regular word order is my sister Emmeline and I chased the butterfly together. Fifth question, write the rhyming words in the second stanza. Answer, days, plays, I, butterfly, rush, brush, springs, wings. Note the words rush, bush, brush. Their spellings look similar, but the pronunciation of the words is different. It is known as I rhyme. Find examples of I rhymes and true rhymes from the other sources. I rhymes: name, game, blame, same, shame, said, laid, paid, read, made, good, blood, mood, food, brood. Tough, cough, plow. Height, weight.